Hey there, it's your host Dan. I went out and I bought about nearly a dozen metal signs. We're going to spiff up the garage a little bit. We're going to do a little man cave decorating. Cost me about a couple $100 for all these signs, and I have a couple other ones I've already installed. So let's get started and let's install these signs. Here over my other window I got kind of an ugly in the paneling, so I'm going to kill two birds with one stone. I'm going to hang the sign and cover that up at the same time. Over here I got a hole in the wall, and once again I'm going to use one of my spiffy new signs to cover that hole up. This one here I chose to put up under the edge. You can kind of see it when you walk into the garage from the house. Lets everybody know, where they are. The Route 66 I put on the opposite wall. And right behind me here I got this Area 51 sign mounted on the wall right below my fire extinguisher. Here in the corner of the garage I got a couple more signs put up. The Pontiac Service, which is a 24-inch metal sign, obviously because I like Pontiac so much. And then this other one, which is like a street sign. That sign cost me about $25. It's an 1/8-inch thick aluminum, and the reason I bought that is because of this right here is my cat's litter box, so I thought that would be fitting. So I think this corner came out pretty nice. I mean, this is the way it's looking now. I'll have to flip to a picture of before of what it used to look like. And now that I got the signs in there, it kind of breaks it up. I think it's looking real nice. Now that I got all the tin signs in place, I really like the way it looks. That ugly brown paneling on its own. Now that I have the tin signs up, I think it kind of goes with, the two go together. And this looks a lot different than what it used to look like just a little over a year ago before I got the triple bay toolbox. Let's take a look at that. And now that I've gotten the new toolbox, made the backsplash, repainted the cabinets, signs are up. This looks a lot better, a lot more man cave-ish. I'd like to know what you do to get your man cave all pimped out. Let me know, drop a comment below. What you do besides, getting a lazy boy and a flat screen TV and some lava lamps. I'd be interested to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and as always, thanks for watching.